I'm removing the AC unit from the rental to take it home and clean it. It's in pretty bad shape. It's really dirty. And all you have to do is take out 2 screws from the back and just lift it so it can come off from this part right here. Just lift it a little bit from down here with the screwdriver, and then I'm going to pull it out. Pull out the whole thing and put it in the back of the truck and take it home and wash it really good and straighten out the fins. I'll show you the outside part of it. The outside part of the window unit, and all I had to do was remove this screw right here and this screw, which is attached to that, to the guts inside. And if you look at the fins, they're all smashed. And so I bought a tool to straighten those out, and so it can work better. And cleaning it up will do a lot better too. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sliding it out, and I'm going to put it in the truck. So there you go. I removed it, and there's just a big hole. But before I leave, I need to close the window. So I'm going to remove the shell, and there's a couple of screws I need to take out. This one and this one, that one right there, and this one right there, to be able to take it off of this platform, and then I can close the window. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm using a Phillips screwdriver to remove it. And it's fairly easy. Just turn it. Leave it there. Take this. A lot of spider webs. There's that, and there's one more, which is, where is it? Right there. Okay, so now I removed all the screws. There's a little piece of board up here that they put to cover this spot right here, but I probably won't be able to remove it until I take off this shell. So let me turn it off. Let me turn the video off and pull it out, and then I'll show you. Apparently, I forgot the 4th screw, which is right here. You didn't even see it because of all the dirt. I'll take that out. Okay. I don't know what all that black stuff is. Pretty. Okay. So, it'd be good if I could just pull it out from the outside. Let's see, now what? Something else is stuck. What is it? Is it another screw? Or is it this window? There. From the outside and just throw in the truck and close the window. Okay, so just put this out, and then I can just close this window. is a disgusting window unit, and I'm trying to carry it to the truck, but it's really dirty. See all the dirt and all the spiders that lived in there for many years. They're probably gonna crawl on me. Ew. Okay. So, here we go. Okay, so there it is in the back of the truck. And that sucker is kind of heavy for one person. And the shell is right there, but I think I'm going to move it because as I'm driving it's going to go against the fins and smash them. So I think I'm going to push it out of the way. So there's the fins. Can't see with the sun. Yeah. So I'm going to push it this way. There, that should be alright. Okay, see you at home. And look at the window outside. Doesn't it look so much better without the window AC there? So, yeah, that would look cute with little window plants outside instead of the air conditioning unit. And give you more light inside. So, the front of the house. Look who came to help. Hi, Rhonda.
Hi.
Guess it gets to clean it. So we're
Take
just
the video. You want to clean?
no.
Now,
Put it all the way on the edge.
what about all this electrical stuff here?
Try not to hit it. What electric? Oh, yeah.
The controls here, right?
Yeah. You just kind of want to go from here out.
Okay.
And you got a little bit more room here. You can pull it just a little bit. Right there. Okay.
Matter?
Huh? Oh yeah, everything's running that way. You want me to hold that?
Sure.
Okay. Yes. Let's see what's in there. Oh. So this is what we're using to clean the coils. Evap foam, no rinse, evaporator coil cleaner. Self-rinsing, fast breaking foam. I'm just going to spray it, and I'm just going to still rinse it off with water. It says I can, so I'll just do it. I got it from a local HVACR supply store, but I'm sure you can buy it on Amazon. And I probably paid too much. I got it at Johnstone Supply. 21 bucks or 22 bucks. Okay, we're gonna try it. Okay. So here are the clothes. We took most of it off with the water, but there's a little dirt and stuff still, so we're just gonna spray it on. Okay, we're just gonna let it sit for a while. Rinse it off. see how that goes. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna look so much better. Yeah, that's your evaporator. Now we're going to turn it around to the condenser side. And you can see the coils in there. Those are the coils. And you can see them through the fins. So it doesn't look too bad. I think all we have to do is just make sure those fins are straightened out. Okay, here's the fin tool kit I bought to straighten out the fins. And comes in different sizes. So I have most of the sizes. I hope I have the right size for these fins. And it's fins per square inch. So I don't know whatever that is. So let's find out. Okay, what you're looking for is for each tooth to go in between those fins. And as you can see, let's see if I can focus on here. This one, oh, there's too many teeth on this one for the fins. So, and that one is 14 per inch. So then you get the next one, which the box tells you, get the 12 per inch, which is the black. And then you can, this is the black. So then you try it, like we tried the other one. And I can't really see because I'm blind. Does that look like it?
No. Try 10.
Okay, so we're going to try 10, which is white. So we get the white one. You go ahead and do it.
I didn't know there was an 11, but we'll go ahead. These, well, no, because these are too far, too big.
Okay. 11.
That's too big too, maybe.
12. Is it the green one? Did you see it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
It still feels like, almost like that's not enough.
That's not enough?
Like it's 14 or something.
Okay. Okay, so we kind of figured it out. We're using the biggest size, 14 per inch, and we're just kind of sticking it in here like that, and just going down with it. And then again, have to be really patient. Like that. So anyway, you get the idea. I'm going to turn off the camera and take my time doing this, because you got to get them right in between the fins. Like that. Okay?
With this or
No. Okay, Vern, this is as good as it's going to get. That part's pretty messed up, but at least you can get air through those fins. So, that's it, Vern.